Association. Today, the Nationals acknowledge the hard work, perseverance, and dedication that these student athletes devote to the game and celebrate the great accomplishment of being named a champion. Please welcome your Class 1A Maryland State Baseball champions from Brunswick, Maryland, the Railroaders of Brunswick High School. Your Class 3A Maryland State Baseball champions from Morganza, Maryland, the Braves of Chautauqua High School. Your Class 4A Maryland State Baseball champions from Gaithersburg, Maryland, the Trojans of Gaithersburg High School. Your District of Columbia Softball City champions, the Cubs of Georgetown Visitation Preparatory School. And your District of Columbia Baseball City champion, the Eagles of Gonzaga College High School. Congratulations to all of our champions.
Do that.
Please direct your attention to the pitcher's mound. Throwing out today's ceremonial first pitch, please welcome against them at number 1, Jay Alonso. Catching the pitches.